Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying identity. Use Aadhaar and PAN because the system cross-checks them for KYC. Once done, make sure your mobile number is linked to the account. You will receive OTPs. Next, open the official post office e-service portal or app and log in with your account number and password. If you don't have an online password, request a reset from the same login screen. This spares a branch visit and gets you into the next steps quickly. Once logged in, go to Services to enable e-statements and mobile alerts so you track activity instantly. You should add beneficiary details for transfers, enter IFSC and account, then validate with an OTP. This prevents missends. Also set transaction limits and daily mandates under Settings to reduce fraud risk. Make sure your email and contact are current so notifications arrive. If a field fails validation, recheck formatting and Aadhaar link names. Mismatches are the most common snag. You finish by performing the actual transaction. Choose deposit or transfer, confirm beneficiary, and approve with OTP and transaction PIN. This double-checks intent. After completion, download the receipt and e-statement as PDF. Store them for reconciliation. If you encounter an error, clear browser cache, try a different browser or the mobile app, then retry. If the problem persists, note the error code and contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.